What? What are you telling me? Do you need your breakfast? I'll go get it. You want your breakfast? You want it? No? Alright, I'll leave it right there. Be right back. Don't touch it. Everybody leaves me. Where's my boy? What you doing? Come on, Mr. Bears. Come on, Poo-Woo. Oh, the flowers are coming up. They lifted up. They look good though.
Look at all the purple
so pretty. I gotta get some water. I got water. Look at this. Oh snap. I'm in the truck. I got Greg's Toyota. Oh yeah. He's taking my car to get serviced. So let's go. Hey guys, what's up? It is Saturday and I'm closing my vlog today because I completely forgot to get back on the camera yesterday to let you guys know what was going on. So basically I left work early yesterday. I just decided work was slow and they offered a chance to go home with no pay, which was fine with me. I was like, I just need to get out of here for real. So I was on the phone with Greg yesterday on my way home and we were talking, so I didn't get a chance to video, and then I got home and I just wanted to like completely de-stress and relax from the week. So that's what I did. So yeah, so I just kind of came home, relaxed. Everything's good. I'm playing around with a little bit of the editing and trying to have my camera out more. It's sometimes hard because I'm not always in places where I can record. And the majority of my day is very quiet and I'm not talking. So I'm trying to do the best that I can with what I've got. But with that being said, I've had a very good week. Weight is still going down. Everything is good. Going to the gym, doing what I need to do. Definitely have the little switch in my head that's like, okay, we're kind of switching back over. We're getting back into fitness. We're going to do this. We're going to focus a little bit more. There's been some things that have been on my mind as far as fitness goes and figure competitions and just kind of like the attitude in general. But I'll probably do a video about that on my main channel just because it's probably going to be a long video, and yeah, I don't know. I kind of stopped doing a lot of stuff on the main channel just because my work schedule and everything is just really hard. I just can't get everything done that I want to get done. But whatever. I'm having sneezing fits. Apparently my allergies are starting to bother me. Everything is blooming and it is just not agreeing with me. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because apparently I can't get through this without sneezing. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Hey, what are you doing in here? Are you supervising? All right, I got my gloves, gotta get to work.